The sledgehammers are awesome on the Haas and the Max.
But are they better than paddle tires on the UDR? Let's find out.
So in the previous video, you saw us driving the UDR and the Bronco, and we put the sledgehammers on the UDR, and they worked pretty good.
They did, yeah.
And I think I commented in the video we should get paddle tires and give them a shot.
Are paddle tires or the sledgehammers? Because we know on the Haas, they work so well. They actually work better than paddle tires compared to the Rustler. The Rustler with paddle tires just gets stuck in the snow. But the sledgehammers on the Haas, they kept going. They could have gone until the battery ran out. The Haas is basically a Stampede.
Four-wheel drive, that's a two-wheel drive.
This is a two-wheel drive, but the Haas is basically a Stampede.
Been around for very long, that's Grandpa. That's like a 12-year-old.
He's been good. My first RC car.
It's my first brushless, non-nitro.
How long ago did you get it? Like
12 years.
12 years? You got it before I was born, didn't you?
Oh yeah, shoot.
13.
13. Oh my God, it'd be 18 years ago.
18 or 20 years. That's besides the point. Let's get outside and see what works better, paddle tires or sledgehammers. You got me real wet.
So in case you don't know, all Traxxas wheels come with a hole on the inside of the rim. If you drive them in wet conditions, the water just goes in there and it stays in there forever. But Traxxas actually recommends you to vent your rubber, puncture holes in the rubber, and then seal off the rim. That way the water can escape when the wheel's turning and it doesn't get pulled in from inside the rim. We put tape over the holes on the inside. Well, this is ready.
Yay, let's go. Boom.
Here we are.
We're outside.
Sledgehammer testing time.
3, 2, 1, go. Rips around just fine.
Pretty nice.
That is.
They're impressive.
First test. I'm gonna go slow up this.
Okay, I might get stuck doing that.
Let's see. Like not spinning your tires slow.
Stuck.
Oh, I think it's because you had some snow buildup right there. Oh, that actually does very nicely. Oh, oh. Wow. Now that's impressive.
I babied it as much as I could.
The next test is going to be in the snow as fast as he can from here to the pool, right over there, and back. It's going to be timed on the video. I have no idea what it's going to be. This is the starting point right here. Through as much deep stuff as you can go through.
I'm going to try to go on something that has not been driven on yet.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh man, it's digging through it.
She's struggling, but she's doing it.
Get to the pool. And back. There we go.
Wow.
That is pretty insane. All right, we're gonna go from here all the way down, just basically to the neighbors and back. Because I feel like the paddle tires may or may not have a little bit more drag since they're like on the road.
It'll sound awesome though.
Yeah, so I'm excited to see how they do. 3, 2, 1, go! As fast as you can do it. Oh, almost tipped over. You have power, it seemed slow.
It's weighted down with snow.
Yeah. Well, let's switch to paddle tires.
Okay.
We're outside, got the UDR, same spot. This isn't deja vu. It's just all the same.
Something's different though.
Paddle tires are on, quite a bit thinner. I thought they looked kind of dumb compared to the sledgehammer.
Little skinnies.
But we're gonna do the same 3 tests. Let's get on with it. 3, 2, 1, go. already kind of struggling through that snow, but
Uh-oh.
what?
It's already stuck.
Just use your throttle. Oh.
Broke a drive shaft. We have one upstairs, I think. Let's go change it.
Paddle tires are bad luck.
Is it part number 8555?
Yes, it is. The UDR is all fixed. Want to show them? Let's get outside. All right.
Drive shafts.
We're outside. Drive shaft is now fixed. It's also not deja vu again. Test 1 is, will the drive shaft break? Can you get slow? Like just don't spin your tires. Like get slow up there. 3,
Steady.
2, 1, go.
Steady power.
Oh, it's
Whoa,
going.
it pulled out of that.
It did pull out of it.
Now I went up here, remember? Well, that snow's a little deeper than it was right where you're standing. Right here. Kind of
got
the same.
through it.
Kind of the same, wasn't it?
Kind of the same, yeah, similar, but I feel like the sledgehammers were more consistent.
Let's do this one.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's slow. Oh, it's getting through it. Oh.
What?
Oh.
Can you believe this news?
Same
spot. It was the same depth.
What? Sledgehammers have it for that one. I would think
do.
that was a tie over there.
Definitely do.
It was a tie for test 1, but test 2, Sledgehammers have it.
Let's do the road test quick.
The road test. All right. Ready? 3. Get up on the left line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Little squirrely.
Oh, kind of squirrely.
Way more squirrely than the sledgehammers.
Get back here. There's a car coming. Whoa. You can't
Is there a
stay in
car
a straight
coming?
line. Oh, man.
Yep.
Were you trying to be crazy with that?
No, that was just
Not
the way
at all.
I drove the same way I did with the sledgehammers.
I can't really think of any, but guys, definitely comment down below
Let's see
any
what it does
tests
if
you
I
want to see.
Try to do a cookie right here.
It sure does sound cool. But be sure to comment down below if you want to see any other tests, and let's get back up to the studio. Well, guys, we had an awesome day today. I think we uncovered the untold mystery. Sledgehammers are supposedly, in all the tests that we did, better
Secret weapon.
than paddle tires.
One thing I did notice, the rake on the truck it's really down in the front, and then when you get a lot of snow in there, it pushes it down even more. So maybe for the winter months, we'll jack the suspension up as high as it goes, and then give it more clearance.
Yeah, but so far, Sledgehammers are just the better tire for your Haas, UDR, and even Max.
For the Max.
These are not worth the money. These are $112 for 4 of them, where these, $84, and they get through all our tests better than paddle tires.
Kind of do.
Want to be like,
Traxxas, you need to make some sledgehammers for the X-Max, and I'll buy them. Like the Christmas tree.
I caught it. Be sure to ring the bell so you become part of the 3x7 family and you do not miss any one of our uploads.
You don't want to miss it.
We post every Sunday, 10:45 a.m.
You can catch it while it's live.
With that said, we hope we'll see you in the next video. 3x7 Outdoors signing out.
Bye for now.